we have one more thing we need to do in section 5.5, and we can also do division of polynomials with synthetic division, and you'll probably like this a lot more. So on this part 2 of 5.5, we're going to use synthetic division to divide polynomials. After you do long division, this seems really easy. Okay, example 1, we're going to divide f of x equals x cubed plus 4x squared minus 5x plus 3 by x plus 2. So you'll remember when we used synthetic substitution that we had to look for a 0 placeholder. This one doesn't need one. It goes 3, 2, 1, 0. So I'm going to put the coefficients of each of these terms in a line. Now the difference with division is what I'm going to put here is the solution to this factor. So if I set this equal to 0, I'd have to subtract over the 2. So what I want to put in my little box is negative 2. Everything else is going to be the same on this part. I'm going to bring down my 1, and then I'm going to multiply, then add, multiply again, add. Negative 2 times negative 9 is positive 18, and add these two together. And now this time, this number at the end is my remainder. If I get a 0 at the end, then I know it went in evenly. The other thing I need to do is, these are coefficients. This is my remainder, and so since there's 3 numbers left, this number would go in front of the x squared. This number would go in front of x, and this one would be my constant term. Then I need to add in my remainder. Just like we did with the long division, we write our final answer like this. So much easier. Let's try another example. This time we're going to divide f of x equals 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus 3x minus 6 by x plus 3. Again, I don't need a 0 placeholder. So 2, 4, negative 3, negative 6 are my coefficients, and my solution to this factor would be negative 3. So I need to change the sign on the number that I put in my box. Bring down the 2, then we're going to multiply, then we're going to add. Negative 3 times negative 2 is positive 6. Add, I get positive 3. Multiply, add, and again, this number right here is my remainder. These numbers are my coefficients, so again, I'm going to go, since there's 3 of them, this would be my constant, this would be x, and this would be x squared. And this would be my final answer to the division problem. You don't always get a remainder, even though on these 2 examples we did.